Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to remove background noise and make the speech louder in Audacity. So, first thing is, of course, open your Audacity and have your voice recorded. Now, from here, guys, just simply select the audio and tap on your keyboard Control A to select all. And after that, go to the effects over here at the top and then go for the noise removal and repair. And you will have here noise reduction. And after that, just simply click on this one. And now you could just simply go to the effect again, go for the noise removal and go for the noise reduction. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and adjust the noise reduction from here. So guys, remember to just simply click the preview to check the sounds, because if you do too much noise reduction, it will limit the words. And now you could just simply play around with this, and once you are done, you could just simply click on OK, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now you could just simply go for the effects, then go for the volume and compression, and go for the amplify. Now from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and adjust the amplification. And now you could just simply allow clipping as well, and just simply click on apply. And from here, you should be able to adjust it. And there you go. See ya.